let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. So topic is bags. Yeah.
Do you like bags?
Yes, I do. I love bags, and I have lots of variety of bags.
I have a good variety of bags. Oh, you can use the word collection. I
Yeah.
have a nice collection of bags. Yeah.
I have a nice collection of bags in my wardrobe, and I usually have to take a new bag in every occasion. I just love it. As per
So
question.
to answer your question.
To answer your question, I just love bags.
Yes, well done. Let's go on.
What types of bags do you use in your everyday life?
Well, it's totally depends upon my mood and
It totally depends.
It totally depends upon my mood, and it's almost depends upon the situation.
Not it's. It almost depends. Now this is repetition. First you
course.
said it depends on my mood. Now you should say something else. So let's
firstly-
again. What type of bags do you like?
Well, it's totally depends upon my mood, and secondly, it is just the way I want to go somewhere.
Question is unanswered. What type of bags do you like? First of all, I love handbags very much. Usually, whenever I go outside, I always have a handbag with me. On the other hand, whenever I go to university, then I have my book bags, which is like a shoulder bag. And when I travel, I use rucksack
Traveling
or I
bag.
use the backpack. Just
Backpack.
talk like this. Don't think too much. Okay? One more question.
Do you usually carry a bag when you go out?
Yes, I do. I love to carry a bag whenever I go out. It depends upon where I'm going. Actually, if I'm going to my university, definitely it's gonna be a university bag that contains my books as well. And if I'm going some some kind of traveling, so definitely it should be a travel bag. Or if I am going some hotel, so definitely it should be a beautiful handbag.
Okay, overall it's fine. Just try to use signposting. If you're talking about 2 to 3 things simultaneously,
Firstly,
then
secondly.
you say first of all, secondly, finally, and connect your ideas together and be confident.
Yes,
I mean,
sir.
you need to answer. That's it, okay? Even if you don't know the answer, you have to answer. Just tell them what you don't know about it. For example, do you have a good collection of bags? Well, I don't know. I've got a couple of bags, but I'm not very keen on buying bags. So I think I've got some bags. Sometimes I borrow from my sister and I use her bags. To answer your
सर आप
question.
बोलते ना बड़ा इजी लग रहा होता है
Yeah,
सच है ना when we spoke it's quite difficult and quite different for us it's totally entirely different
You'll be
experience.
fine, inshallah. Don't
Definitely
worry.
will be.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
But you're better than before. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.